You're soon 90 and you're a run partner.
Don't make that bother you. Don't make that bother
No,
you.
no, you gotta remember.
I was running to it when I was 15 years old a Bronx. No Bronx.
That's what me say.
No, we really
You can't remember.
Jamaica land we love. Jamaica is not a real place. Jamaicans, we are not real people. Jamaica land we love. You see when sleep take you? You see when sleep lick you? What you gotta do? Sleep.
First man I sleep when time we are around that. But this one. Actually, I want to say yes to everything. Any question you ask him, yes he answer. Because yes, I sleep and I say.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
Get up now, Paul. Get up, get up, get up.
Which gear that thing get?
What?
Back up. Where are you? Ready?
Yo, they people that easy, that they cruelty taxi man. They have a taxi man that say yes to everything. You suck vagina? Yes. You eat pork? Yes. You fat? Yes. You skinny? Yes. Jamaicans, we ain't real people. Another example is this one.
What you say about this now? What name? Wait, show me. Berita special?
Yeah.
Bumbleclad. Eh?
Yeah.
So wait, how the time for?
Plastic, yeah.
Wait time for?
Time up.
Bumbleclad. So oil fire?
Well, boom.
Bumbleclad.
Yo, the man GUN even have a timer. What can bad so? Hey, America military need to hire him because the GUN are wicked. He can stay from here so and shoot you over there so. Yeah. So when I talk about dunce, I didn't want to call a young lady a dunce or this a young lady a dunce, but I share ultimate dunce boss.
Name one tourist attraction in Clarendon. KFC.
Well, to her rescue, me don't know no tourist attraction in a Clarendon. I would have just said pass. That's just me though. I know you guys enjoying the video, but just like the video. By liking the video, you're helping the channel grow, and yeah, you're helping the channel grow and you're helping me out. So just like it. Moving forward.
For our bite of the week, and it comes from a Clarendon resident who said that spooky supernatural things happen when outsiders are buried at the cemetery in New Bowens. Here's our bite of the week.
We need it up with them from out of it stop coming in. To come bury over the cemetery because they are full it up and they are ball at night and they upset me, I can't get to sleep. Do you understand what I mean? Because they are ball because they can't find back their way home. They don't know they can't, they can't left them over here and gone. So they might cry. Because them carry them around 4 places, they don't know a place and they can't find out their way home. So we're in a danger. Because them good all see we and liquid on the road.
Bye.
So this could have real. Then if you stop bury the strange duppy them out of port, bury the duppy them in a port. Because when they bury the duppy them a place where they don't know, them are disturb the people them of the community. I beg you. Don't do it. Drunkro. Lady, when people dead, then dead. There's no bawling and screaming. By the way, y'all believe in a duppy? Talk it truth.
Wake me, lad. Shake me, lad. Don't make me sleep too late. That is the reason the Lord came down like a fire. Coming on the color with the holler. Hey, one morning, missing the gamma. She was running up the heavenly road. And he said, what is the killer? You type one more class. Sorry.
jump from gospel to B-clat. But is he wrong? Because remember, I know we say B-clat and R-clat, they are not indecent languages. It depends on how you use them or how you express yourself using those words. F-U-C-K, a bad word, that's how I say, no. On this channel, I know, so I'm good to go. Put in a gospel, man. According to no, it's okay.
Harboring a fugitive is an offense.
Kemar Miller, otherwise known as Panty Man, he's wanted and he frequents the Fraser's content area, and we're asking him to turn in himself to the police, and we also implore persons not to harbor persons who are listed as wanted. Is an offense.
In the meantime,
listen me. Man's a wanted man. So, me nah make no joke. If you don't want to laugh, you can't laugh. Me not laugh. Me even call his name. Me shouldn't be posting this. But, you can't say no yard and laugh. But me not laugh. The man, they are real bad man. Okay, so who is this now? Mr. Jerry. Wonder what Jerry got to say. Because most of the time when I see a Jerry video, all him talk about is vagina, eggplant. Let's listen in.
Move this.
Stop
Never the push. Drape it up. Be good. Glory. Joy to the world. Be good has come.
We telling you, say, how that Jerry a come with? When last Jerry get some front? Somebody need to give Jerry some front. Because that's all Jerry talk about. Front. Well, at least he not talk about back. Moving forward. No, this I wanna. I ain't gonna lie. You know what?
What you say ripe banana do? The ripe one.
The ripe one boost you can swell it.
Yeah.
But the green one make it can't dead. When you have the green one, it can't dead. You can tiff the morning. When you drop your jar, when you shoot back in here, how will that? How will that take man? You start grunt. I go pour in your hole.
Can't dead.
The banana make it tiff. The green banana.
Yeah.
Make it tiff so.
And the ripe one make you what?
Swell. It swell.
Tomorrow morning, bright and early, I go to the supermarket, I go buy a bunch of green banana, and I buy a bunch of ripe banana. Do I need to say where I go use them for do? Okay. Yeah, a trouble when miss whoever come cross. Problem. Moving forward. No, this a Rasta now. Him feel like same day a circus or probably have some superpower. Me hope you two know what a black video for the one I know, cause them we say are endangerment and all this in the but the Rasta man willingly did it. Watch and see what me I talk about. Yo, today that she want to pour Rasta to the next side. I swear. Rasta just shower without having a shower. But you play a fool, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Me who a Rasta alright still him hands. You see me I say. But anyways, we come to the end of another video. Me appreciate every one of you guys watching. Me appreciate every one of you guys sharing and liking and commenting. And me asking you just to do the same again. Just like, share, comment, and subscribe, click the notification bell, and watch the next video again. Respect, stay safe, and of course, God bless.